is Smart Trend News. I'm Christy Duffy. According to reports, 19-year-old Jennifer Mee, who was made famous as a 15-year-old in 2007 for hiccuping 50 times a minute for 5 weeks straight, was charged with first-degree murder in the state of Florida. Mee and two other girls allegedly killed a man during a robbery that went wrong. Apparently, Mee, who's known as Hiccup Girl, lured a man to a scene where she and her two friends attempted to rob him at gunpoint and take, quote, miscellaneous items from him. The male victim, Shannon Griffin, was fatally shot several times after a struggle. For further updates, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Smart Trend News. I'm Christy Duffy.